Hi, this is Jennifer. Today we're going to talk about the alarming number of dead fish that's been seen in our waterways lately, particularly coho salmon that have been seen. After doing some research, we found that the culprit is actually a chemical called PPD6 quinone, which is an anti-ozonate that's used in manufacturing tires. It keeps the rubber from breaking down and deteriorating, keeps it from dry rotting, and lets the tires last longer. The problem is, when you're driving down the road, the friction between the tires and the road causes those microparticles of rubber to slough off on the road. When it rains, the rain washes those microparticles of rubber and that chemical into our waterways. In turn, the fish are poisoned by the chemicals that are washed into that waterway. And this chemical is so toxic to the salmon as well as other fish that it kills them at pretty much any concentration. Now, that we haven't had enough data to see if it has any effect on human health or not. Our scientists are still working on that, and we'll wait to see. But you see here, this shows how we might have sites like this. We take the samples off of the roadways and analyze them to see exactly where it's coming from. We see that it is bitumen or bits of the tire and roadway. The 6 ppd is coming out of the tires. Unfortunately, there are no known alternatives to PPD6. The only other option would be to filter the storm runoff. However, that would be very cost prohibitive because of the amount of filtration that would need to be done all along every waterway. Whether it be just biological filtration such as grasses and rocks, or it be actual carbon type filters set up along the waterways, it would cost into the billions of dollars to filter out this chemical. So at this point, the only thing we can do is to keep researching and looking for other options to this chemical.